it with all the bloody talk. I don't care. Put it in the video. What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoe Room. What's up, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. Today we have a banger. The medium olive Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Let's get into it.
Somebody, just try to make the beat and look gon' keep it. Studio, that say my style is original. I don't get money or credit from a woman. No, I hit the technology on me.
Try to be something. Try to be something harder than this lifetime.
Back then I used to folks on me like the crowd. So they made them go.
They say you're nobody to you. Be somebody you get. Man stripes when you beat the body in the studio. They say my style is original. I'm getting money upgraded from a criminal. Had to take my lick, watch me do my day up here. The voicemail, I can't talk, I'm in the lab.
This the box for the lows. Same box, brown and cream. Unwrapping them. Let me read the size tag. Hold on. Medium olive black sail muslin. All right, as you can see, we have a few shades of green. Got that olive color right here. Then it's suede too. On the side by the black swoosh. And then on the tongue, it's a different material, different shade of green. It says Cactus Jack. On here, got the Nike Air tag, wraps to the back, black on the inside of the tongue. Then on the inside of this shoe, got some detailing on the inside. Right. Then we got like an off-white leather on the rest of the shoe. Got the black, not black, sorry, red on the back of the shoe. Then on this shoe, just a few little differences. Instead of the Travis, on the inside, we got the Cactus Jack. Then it has some writing on the inside too. Then on the back, we got this instead of that. It also comes with pink laces and black laces. I think the pink will look really nice with this. But I think they did a really good job with this shoe. This is a follow-up with the women's olive shoes. This is the men pair. I really like them. They nice. And I think them pink laces will really bring them out. They are coming out this Saturday. They are coming out this Saturday on the September 28th. So if y'all get a chance to cop these, I definitely would. They're really nice. I like the color. I think they did a good job. Something that you could wear a lot, beat them up. Yeah. We do have a few shoe videos coming out. We got the black toe ones right here. We got the I'm Air 4s. We got the Orchid 4s. So be sure to check all those out. Once again, this has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. 3_shoe_room, her.souls, and then my personal Instagram, The Maverick. Make sure y'all follow us, support the page. Peace.
They say my style is original. I'm getting